Hi, I'm Ronak Patel, Product Manager for Brother QL Label Printers. In this workshop video series, we will cover how to use Brother SDK for various software platforms.
Chapter 1. Introduction. In this chapter, you'll get a clear understanding of what the Brother Mobile iOS SDK is. Chapter 2. Hardware and software requirements. Starting from scratch, we'll cover the minimum requirements you need and guide you through installing Xcode. Chapter 3. Downloading the SDK. We'll direct you to the Brother Developers website and show you, step by step, how to register as a developer and download the SDK. It's a quick process, taking no more than 3 minutes. Chapter 4. Running the sample app. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can run the sample app included in the SDK, just a few minutes. Chapter 5. Basic connection methods. Learn how to tweak your sample app to connect to your printer using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This is also a quick and easy process. Chapter 6. Printer settings. Here we delve into 5 different printer settings, providing detailed code examples for you to copy and paste. The code is simple and easy to master in just a few minutes. Chapter 7. Printer selection. This chapter simplifies how to choose different printer models, mainly focusing on the QL820 NWB. You'll also learn about other Brother printers with just a few lines of code. Chapter 8. Image selection. We guide you through creating your first app. It's simple, and you'll have the basics down in about an hour. Chapter 9. Bluetooth connection. While the app can print via Wi-Fi on a simulator for Bluetooth printing, you need to use your iOS device. This chapter shows you exactly how to do that. Chapter 10. UI/UX improvements. We will transform the sample app into a release-ready one. You'll be amazed at the before and after. Appendices. Here you'll find extra information on creating a new app, duplicating an existing app, and writing a banner app. Whether you're a complete beginner or an advanced developer, this workshop is designed for you. Beginners can complete it in less than 8 hours, while more experienced developers can finish in as little as 2 hours. Good luck and enjoy reading the workshop document.
Live demo. What we want to accomplish is to getting your first app running and printing your first label in the shortest time possible. What we need before we begin is an Xcode installed on your computer, a QL820 NWB printer with a DK2251 label roll installed. You will need to test it with Brother's iPrint and Label app to ensure it prints properly. In the meantime, you record the IP address from the setting for later use and leave the printer on. Then we will visit the Brother Developer website, register as a new developer, and navigate it to the SDK download page to download the iOS labeling and mobile SDK. We will save it to a new folder named Brother Workshop. Next step, in your Brother Workshop folder, we will double-click the Simple Design App Xcode project to launch the app in Xcode. So there are a couple of minutes we need to do in there. I will show you. And also we make 2 changes in the sample code before you run it. Once you run it, you will get the first label printer. Okay, let's see how that works. Well, we'll go to Developers Program brother@usa.com. This is the website where you need to register as a developer. The instruction is in the document provided to you. Okay, so once you register, you will see this page here. First thing you will need to do is go to SDK download here. Okay, then you scroll down, you will find the iOS labeling and mobile SDK. You click on that. You click download, and you will see the version 4.6.7. Click download here, and you agree. Okay, then you will save it to a new folder. Let's put it in under Brother Workshop 1. And you save it. Okay, once you save it, let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, it's a zip file, so we need to unzip it. Okay, and then inside this folder here, there are two manual. One is the Japanese version, one is the English version. So the SDK is in this folder here. We're going to unzip that again. Okay, and here we are. So now there's a photo code sample. There are two sample apps. One is a simple design app. The other is Print SDK Demo iOS. So we're going to try the simple design app first. Okay, and you go navigate it to the simple design app Xcode project, as we mentioned earlier. You double click at that, trust and open. Okay, and you launch that. So, all right, so before we start it, you go into the couple things that we need to do is to go to signing and capability and check automatically manage signing, enable it, and select a team and enter the bundle identifier. We give it a name called simple, okay, simple SDK, name whatever you want to. Okay, you can also, here, you can enter the display name called simple SDK. So later it will appear on your iOS devices. So that's all you need to do. Now, before we started, there is a file that you need to look at it first, which is the main view controller. So there are three Swift files. The thing that you will look into the most is the main view controller. So we'll make a couple of changes here. Okay, change number one is to enter the IP address. Remember what we say earlier? You have recorded IP address from the settings on the iPrint and Labels app. Okay, so that's 192.168.0.13, assuming that is the IP address for your printer. Okay, now the next line you would change is the label. Since we have DK 2251, and this label is for a different label role here. So we need to change that too. So how do you change that? Just simply type it over and automatically show you all the available label role here. And it's the first available is role with 62 RB. That's the one you have for DK 2251. Okay, don't worry about that. Everything I said here is well documented in the workshop number 1 doc. Okay, so you just click on that one, and that's all you need to do. And when you're ready, you just click this little run button here. Okay, let's click on that. Okay, it will launch the iPhone simulator. Give you a few seconds. Okay, that's it. The app is very simple. All it does is show print image here. And you say, if you click on print image, okay, you get an error. Image file is now found. Okay, so quickly, why? Okay, so there is a sample PNG file that is not on this directory here. So what we need to do is to add that sample PNG file to this directory. Okay, yeah, so we have that. Okay, let's say we have this in the download folder here. Okay, so all you have to do is drag and drop into here. Okay, and finish. So now you have that. So you see, notice that this is here. Okay, that's the one we have. Now let's try to run it again. So before you run it, you want to click on that run button here. Okay, now let's try print image. Get it from the printer. It's a print success, okay. All right, got it. See, that's how simple it is, right? So it takes less than 5 minutes. You're able to get your first label printed. And so let's review that. What have we achieved? First, we undertook thorough preparation to ensure a successful initial trial. Second, we register as a Brother developer and download iOS SDK to our computer. Third, we immediately launch the sample code from the download folder and we make it ready for development. Lastly, we modify the sample code to accommodate our printer and the label type, and we successfully print our first label. So you're going to ask, what's next? Now, having accomplished the most challenging part of this workshop, the rest is actually a lot easier if you follow the step-by-step instruction in the workshop development. If you have any question during your development journey, you can always contact SDK support at brother.com. You can also post your questions on our YouTube channel. Rest assured that we will always be there to support you.